Hello students, today we will deal with the lesson number 3 of class 7th, that is chemical substances and processes. This chapter is related with our chemistry. Now first of all we will define what is chemistry, the branch of science. Chemistry is a branch of science that deals with the study of substances, their properties, structure and the changes they undergo. There are so many changes take place around us every day, and change is the law of nature. We come across many changes in our day-to-day life. Some of them are the physical changes and some of them are the chemical changes. We have learned about the physical changes and chemical changes in your previous class. A physical change is a change in the physical property of a substance, and a chemical change is a change that involves a change in the composition and chemical property of a substance. So in this chapter we will discuss about the classification of matter on the basis of chemical properties, pure substances, classification of pure substances, compounds, impure substances and mixture, and then we will do an activity related to this chapter. So in our previous class we learned some basic fact about matter and its nature. Now first of all, what is matter? Anything that occupies space and has mass is called matter, and it exists in 3 states: solid, liquid and gases. These 4th state of matter, that is known as plasma, and the 5th state of matter is Bose-Einstein condensate, and we will learn about plasma and Bose-Einstein condensate in our next classes, in higher classes. So we deals with only solid, liquid and gases here. All matter is made up of a small particle called atom. As the human body or as the wall is made up of a smallest unit, that is called brick. All the matters are made up of a small particle, indivisible particle, that is called atom. Atom combines to form molecules. For example, hydrogen atoms combine, they form the hydrogen molecule. These are the examples of the molecules. Water molecule has 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen. Similarly, carbon dioxide has 2 atoms of oxygen and 1 atom of the carbon. Materials which are made up of same kind of particles, that is has same atom or molecules, are called the pure substances. On the basis of chemical properties, matter can be further divided into 2 parts: pure substances and mixture, or they are also known as impure substances. Pure substances are further divided into 2 parts, that is elements, and second one are compounds. And mixture are divided into 2 types. These are homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. First of all, we will discuss the pure substances. Material which are made up of same kind of particle, that is has same kind of atoms or molecules, are called pure substances. An element is a pure substance. You can define the element as a pure substance which is made up of atom of the same kind. All have same chemical and physical property. For example, iron is an element which is made up of iron atom. Similarly, gold is also a element which is made up of a gold atom. Other common examples are hydrogen, carbon, oxygen, nitrogen, calcium and phosphorus. Second are compounds. Compound is a pure substance which is made up of molecules. We know that molecules are the substances that are made up of a same kind of atoms. For example, hydrogen molecule has 2 hydrogen atom. Water has 2 hydrogen atom and 1 oxygen atom. Similarly, ammonia. The chemical formula of the ammonia is NH3. It means 3 hydrogen atoms combined with 1 nitrogen atom in a fixed ratio. Means they have totally 1:3 ratio, 1:2 ratio in a fixed ratio. Similarly, methane. The chemical formula of methane is CH4. 1 carbon atom is combined with 4 hydrogen atom, that forms the CH4. A molecule of a compound consists of atoms of 2 or more different elements that have combined in a fixed ratio. For example, water is a compound and made up of water molecule. Each molecule of water contains 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen combined together. This is the diagram of the water molecule. 2 hydrogen atom combined with 1 oxygen molecule in a fixed ratio, that is 1:2. Now, impure substances, or they are also called mixture. A mixture contains 2 or more substances mixed in any proportion. For example, this is the diagram of a mixture, and this is just a mixture of 2 elements. All have a different composition, different physical and chemical properties. A mixture contains 2 or more substances mixed in any proportion. The components of mixture are not chemically combined with each other. They are not chemically combined with each other. A mixture is therefore not a pure substance. So we can't say that mixture is a pure substance. So we have an activity: classify following material into pure substances and mixture. We have some material, we have to classify them where they are pure substances or mixture. Air. We know that air is a mixture of various gases, so it is a mixture. Iron. Iron is a pure substance, so it is a pure substance. Pure substance, it is element. Water. Water is again a pure substance and it is a compound. Soil. Soil is also a mixture. Lemonade. Again lemonade. Nimbu pani is also a mixture of salt, sugar and lemon juice. Gold is an pure substance and again it is a element. Oxygen. Oxygen is also a pure substance. So in our next video we will discuss about the chemical symbols, chemical formula, how to write the chemical formula. Thank you.